Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. USDJPY to the analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have the bullish breakout. So last time we had a bullish breakout here and we went up. Okay, so anything is possible in trading, but as per the technical analysis, we're going for this high. Okay, so that's your last resistance. Okay, so if you are a long-term trader, then your target should be 157 from 153, 400 pips. Very, very easy. Okay, it can go even up to here. That's your resistance too. Let me draw that. There you go. Okay, so this is your zone in weekly time frame. That is what positional traders do. They take the last resistance as take profit. Okay, in weekly time frame. So let me don't tell you too much for free. Okay, so if you are a weekly time frame trader, this is your take profit last resistance. That means we are in the super uptrend right now. Coming back to daily chart. Okay, now this was your pullback, and we're gonna go up. Now we have to wait for this today's Monday candle close. Okay, because if I draw my line here again, if this high is broken by today's blue candle, then that's confirmation that we will continue up. If this today's candles slightly closes less than this high of 9th of October, then we might take a pullback. Okay, so that is the key. When I'm recording this video, it's another 4 hours to go before the market closes today on Monday. Okay, now this also is forming like a head and shoulder, so that could be a trend reversal. You never know, nothing. Okay, in trading you only live day by day or every 4 hour. Okay, so keep an eye on this daily close of Monday. If this is closing above this high, that is confirmed. We will continue the uptrend. If this candle slightly closes before this high, that will be a short-term pullback. Coming back to 4 hour in USDJPY. Yesterday I told you not to enter long until we reject the EMA. I will say the same thing today as well, because here in daily time frame your entry is missed because your entry was this candle. Okay, so or maybe even this candle. If you were expert and you saw this bullish hammer, you entered here, if you were naive, then you were supposed to enter here. Okay, so pullbacks will happen, but coming back to 4 hour, if you go by copybook theory or step by step, then we are in the strong uptrend. Rejection has to come from the EMA, then only you go long. But these pairs, USDJPY and USD CAD, they don't give you much opportunity for pullbacks. Okay, so do what you like. Personally, I will not trade USD pairs because USD U dollar does not have any real data coming, because they are holding a lot of news and data and everything. So these days I'm trading only non-USD pairs, and you can join my free Telegram group to see the screenshots I'll send to you there. But USDJPY, look for longs. We are in the uptrend. That is what I will tell you after pullbacks. That's it. Subscribe, like, share. Join the Telegram. Join the brokers. Get the software if you want. And I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.